I started this painting at least a month ago, maybe even longer ago, with just the rolling hills, and I showed a video of that a while ago. And then I think I showed a video last week of it when it looked a bit like a volcano, and I said I didn't really know what was going to happen next. And I was right. I didn't know. But I do like it. I really like how it's sort of come about. That on the left hand side in the middle it kind of took a dolphin type shape, and on the right hand side a bird. And almost where they meet in the middle is like this volcano energy that comes up into fire, that then goes up into the sky, and actually almost like it's carrying the sun. Beneath those two figures are another two figures. The one on the right hand side looks a bit like a standing bird or possibly a fox. The one on the left, I couldn't work out what that's supposed to be, and I kept trying to get it right, and then I was like, if you don't know what it is, how can you get it right? So I just kind of went with how it felt. I like how the figure on the right hand side, it's sort of eye emerged in the middle of that bird, so it's like it totally overlaps or is part of the same energy. There's also this figure sort of floating around in the sky. It's almost like sunbathing, but by floating. And at the bottom to the right of the standing fox type figure is this other bird that looks sort of quite regal, just standing there saying nothing kind of energy. I thought about the fact that the dolphin is up in the sky with the bird, and so then I thought, well, that probably represents a constellation, because dolphins, they do jump out of the water, but there's no water underneath this. There is a Delphinus constellation, which is quite a small constellation, and it has an asterism in it, which is called Job's coffin, which is the shape of a lozenge or a diamond. And I wonder if this sort of shape that's attached to it, the bottom of it with the yellow light, is that a representation of that? In Chinese mythology, it's referred to as a gourd, or it's also a water pot. So that could also represent a connection with Newt. And this constellation, the dolphin, was represented as a knife in Egypt. And it was the knife that was used by Ra to kill, I think it's Apophis or Apophis, I don't know how to pronounce that, which may be what this sort of sun that's being carried by this energy represents at the top, underneath which are like almost like the ghosts of a dolphin and then a jellyfish. And there is a jellyfish cluster as part of I think Capricorn constellation, but I may have that wrong. And the word for dolphin, Delphus, means womb. I might have to do another video to talk about the bird. Please like and subscribe so I know someone's listening.